What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to install and use the Tatsu Discord bot. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Click on the first link in the description to get to this page. Here, make sure that you're logged in with your Discord account. You should also verify that you have admin permissions to add the bot to the server. When this is done, simply click on Invite. You'll be asked which server you wish to add the bot to. Select the correct server, and after a second or two, a new window will open up. Here, you will have to allow the bot all of these permissions for it to properly work. After selecting Authorize, you should now see that the Tatsu bot is a member of your Discord server. Next, you should make sure that the bot has the appropriate roles to function on your server. Navigate to your server settings and select Roles. Make sure to give the bot admin permissions. When using multiple bots, I suggest making a bot role, which will have all of the permission an admin has, and then you can simply add a new bot to the bot role to make sure that it can be fully utilized. Right-click the bot and make sure to add it to the bot role. After giving the bot all of your server permissions, click on the second link in the description to get to this page. Here, you can click on your server to edit your bot settings. In your main settings, you can change your rank card, wallet card, and server inventory. Under Modules or Features and Modules, you can preview and change the settings for all of the commands you need to operate the bot on your server. If you want to change the text channel on which the bot responds, then navigate to Settings, Channel Management. Here, select the correct text channel. In addition, you can change more settings for the selected channel, such as disabling commands, ignoring commands in a specific channel, and so on. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.